Both genome sequences and annotations will increase in value if they are widely used. And when we submit our paper, we also need the accession number on the public database. The significance of registration genome sequences and annotation data in the public database as follows. The fruit of research are the property of all humankind, and it can guarantee the reproducibility of research results and promote the reuse of data. Specifically, we register genome sequences to DDBJ and making a system that is easy to use, and that we have a database website for genome data and information. We will explain the registration process to DDBJ. This slide shows the registration information for biosample. First, we register bioproject with data shown in the pink color box on this table. After the bioproject ID is issued, we register the sequence and the annotation to biosample in the field marked with an asterisk. We must fill. Other fields not marked with an asterisk are left blank, but it is recommended to fill as possible. Here is a list of cat genome sequences registered in DDBJ. An accession number assigned each sequence. To make it easier to use our genome assembly and annotation, we have constructed a website. It is named Cat Genome Informatics, but please call it Cat's Eye. Cat's Eye is just the same name as a famous Japanese cartoon by coincidence. Let me try a demonstration of how to use our website. Enter a keyword, and the corresponding gene will be displayed. If we click on the light blue area called Detail, the screen changes to the gene annotation details. We can also display the genome browser for this gene. If we want to look at other genes nearby, we open the menu in the top left tab and select JBrowse. We can see the genome browser in a different tab. To change the area, we can use the button plus and minus or drag around. Now let us go back to the previous screen. We can get the genome sequence from the menu in the top left tab. This site URL is cat annotation.jp, which is easy to remember.